Well, good afternoon to you and y'all. It's Dan. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks on this another rainy, dreary day. But you know what? I hope everybody is having a fantabulous day. But you know what we got to do today? We got to harvest some Brussels sprouts. Heard on the news that we could possibly get some snow Friday. Really, snow. So gonna have to go get these Brussels sprouts out the ground. So I'll take y'all along with me. So give me a second. All right, y'all, come on, let's get after it. I don't know how this is gonna work one-handed, but we sure gonna uproot these dang Brussels sprouts. Let's see, let's grab this one right here. Kind of like that. Give him a wiggle. Ooh, Lord, he ain't want to come out there. Oh, gracious. That joke is rooted in there good. Now then again, I ain't want to tear nothing up, so try to shake off some of that dirt. All right, there we go. There's one. Ooh-wee, looking mighty good. All right, let's see if we can get this these other ones out of here. There you have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Brussels sprout plants. Not too shabby. Now, let's talk about Brussels sprouts. Now, what I'm going to tell you is, first and foremost, I've never grown Brussels sprouts before, at all. Last year, got these guys in for the fall crop, just to see if I could grow them. Yeah, I can grow them. I mean, and it's like a really, really easy vegetable to grow. Almost too easy. Using the no-till method, all I did was just add some black cow manure on top of what I already had. Made little holes, stuck the Brussels sprouts in, and booyah, we have some Brussels sprouts. Now, what I will tell you is, and I want to reiterate, I've never grown Brussels sprouts before, but I'm sure enough delighted on the ones that I got. And proof is in the pudding. So there's a pudding. What I will say is, anybody that wants a sure enough easy vegetable to grow, you need to try Brussels sprouts because they're easy to grow. And I mean like real easy to grow. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna lop off the bottoms of these Brussels sprout plants. We're gonna get back in the shop and we're gonna see if we can't pull these Brussels sprouts off of the main stem. Too easy. So give me a second and that's what we're finna do. All right, y'all, I had to change our plan of attack. These things are like dirty as all get out. I ain't want to bring it in the shop, so we're just gonna do it outside. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what I'm finna do. You can see right here is that big root ball. So we got just some pruning shears, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna cut that joke off down at the bottom. And we're gonna take this and we're gonna throw it back in the raised bed. Same thing with all of these leaves and stuff. That's what it looks like. Kind of like that. I'm just gonna pick off all of these leaves. I hope y'all can see that. All right, and this is what we're gonna be left with. Isn't that pretty? Too easy, y'all. On these Brussels sprouts, all you gotta do is just pretty much, and they're a little dirty, we're gonna wash them. All we're gonna do is just twist them right off. Kind of looks like that. Pull and twist them off. Pretty Brussels sprouts. All right, there you have it. All I'm gonna do is this guy right here, he's going right back in the raised bed. All the leaves and the main stalk going back in the raised bed. And all we're gonna do is just maybe cover it under. And hey, it's gonna make for, once it decomposes, it's gonna make for some sure enough good soil once again. So let me get all of these Brussels sprouts off these stalks. We'll get back in the shop and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna preserve them. And Lord of mercy, I'm gonna tell you, they're gonna be good. Real good. Real easy to grow, like super easy to grow. So give me a second and I'll get right back with you. All right, y'all, here we go. Given my awesome video skills, I probably didn't get how I was pulling these Brussels sprouts off the stalk in the frame. But that's okay. I'm gonna point you down because I have another one. Yes, Lord. Then I'm gonna pull off the stalk for you. So give me a second. Taking them and I'm just twisting them and pulling them, just like that. Start down towards the bottom, twist and pull. Just that easy. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Good gracious almighty. So what I have done is I have the other ones that I've already picked off the stalks. I went ahead and give them a good wash. I'm gonna do the same thing with these guys right here. Keep in mind now that these Brussels sprouts aren't mature. There's a few of them. I mean, there's some really big Brussels sprouts, like really big ones. And then I also have some small ones, but that's okay. They were immature when I actually pulled them. And the reason why I pulled them, and I said it earlier, is we are expecting some really cold weather again. Kind of thought I lost all these guys to begin with, but we supposedly supposed to be getting some snow come Friday. So I just went ahead and pulled them out the ground just to save them. So I'm gonna wash up these guys. I'm gonna break out this vacuum sealing machine and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna save these guys for future use. And I don't know how long they're gonna last in the freezer because I just love some Brussels sprouts. All right, y'all, let's get busy with it. I'm gonna point you down. Here is our clean Brussels sprouts right here. Ooh, Lord. I'm gonna take some Brussels sprouts and I'm gonna put it off in this salad spinner thing, because what we want to do is we want to go on and get them as dry as we possibly can before we vacuum seal them. We're gonna give it a couple of pulls. All right, cool. See, there's some of the water that was left on the Brussels sprouts. Just gonna put them in our food saver bags. Now I went ahead and labeled them, you know, 11018 Brussels. I don't know if I spelled it right, but Brussels sprouts. And we are gonna take them over here to our food saver. Vacuum them up. There you have it. We have some, sure enough, perfectly sealed Brussels sprouts. Somebody's gonna ask, well, Dan, you know, I thought you were gonna like maybe blanch your Brussels sprouts. What I have experienced in the past, now again, I've never grown Brussels sprouts, but I sure enough go to the store and buy them when they're on sale. They're not as fresh as these, probably won't taste as good as these, but what I have done in the past is I have actually vacuum sealed Brussels sprouts and put them in the deep freeze for, you know, future use. I do find that when you blanch these guys and you go to cook them, after you've blanched them, you have them frozen, and you're like, you know what, I want to eat some Brussels sprouts tonight. I have found that when you blanch them, these guys turn out mushy. The last ones that I've done, I don't know, maybe a year ago or so, might have been longer than that, didn't blanch them. I just washed them off, spun them around in this salad spinner thing, a lettuce spinner thing, vacuum sealed them, put them in the deep freeze, and when I went to eat them, Lord have mercy, it was just like I picked them off the stalk. Let me go ahead and get the rest of these Brussels sprouts sealed up, and I will turn this camera back on. All right, y'all, there you have it. We went ahead and harvested our Brussels sprouts. Sure enough, easy vegetable to grow. And Lord have mercy, they're delicious. Let me point you down and show you what we ended up with. Ended up with, oh, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. 6 bags of Brussels sprouts. And them jokers are going, sure enough, going in a deep freeze for later use. But no, I'm actually going to give some of these Brussels sprouts to a buddy of mine that I work with. Somebody in his family sure enough loves some Brussels sprouts, and these come out a sure enough organic garden, so I think they're gonna like them. I want to take y'all along with me just to show you what I was doing now, because you know I like sharing. But y'all, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up really help me. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, y'all need to come on over here, give me a look now, because I'm always doing something. And with that being said, I'm always gonna say it, you know it's coming. Don't let nobody dull your shine. I mean, nobody. Especially when you're growing Brussels sprouts, because it's easy. And we'll see you and y'all in the next video.